Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
(2022) Honda ADV 350. Fast facts. You may not be aware that the XADV is Honda's best-selling motorcycle in Europe this year. Honda certainly knows, and that has resulted in the 2022 Honda ADV 350 adventure scooter. America doesn't get the XADV, though we do have the ADV 150. Now, there's something in between, and we're hoping the ADV 350 and the XADV can be delivered to our shores soon. In the meantime, let's check out the ADV 350 and what it has to offer the world of adventure riding. The 2022 Honda ADV 350 is powered by a 330cc single that puts out 29 horsepower. That peak comes at 7,500 revolutions per minute, with the torque peak hitting 23 feet-to-pounds at 5,250 revolutions per minute. A fully automatic CVT makes it easy to access the 4-valve motor's power. Additionally, the ADV 350 has 2-level Honda selectable torque control to prevent the rear wheel from breaking traction during acceleration and deceleration. The inverted fork is not adjustable, while the twin piggyback shocks have spring preload adjustment. With a fuel tank over 3 gallons and fuel consumption at 69 miles per gallon, you may get as much as 200 miles between fill-ups. The 15-14-inch wheel combination sports off-road ready rubber. We're not sure of the brand of tires, however. Ground clearance is 5.7 inches, so you'll want to stick to improved dirt roads. Disc brakes are found on each wheel. 2-channel ABS is standard. Touring riders will appreciate the 4-position windscreen that has an adjustment range of over 5 inches. 2 full-face helmets can fit in the storage space under the seat. Total underseat storage capacity is 48 liters. For additional cargo carrying capacity, a Smart Top Box variant is available. The Smart Top Box unlocks automatically with the ADV 350's Smart Key. The LCD dash interfaces with your smartphone and has voice control capabilities. A USB Type-C plug in the glove box quickly charges compatible smartphones. We don't know if this adventure scooter will make it to the United States, but it would make a great companion to the ADV 150 while we wait for the XADV.